A seasoned guide leads viewers through a practical outdoor classroom where shelter, signaling, and safe fire building become daily lessons. The narrative follows a small group learning to read the land, identify shelter sites, and improvise tools from natural materials with patient, hands-on instruction. Each step reveals how observation and context turn raw skills into confident actions during emergencies and routine outdoor trips. Real-world cases show decision-making under pressure, emphasizing safety, ethics, and the joy of learning outdoors. The camera lingers on hands shaping a lean shelter as dawn breaks over a quiet woodland.